Oh, bye! Shit! Tangina!
Hey, Mac Jude.
Mac Jude.
Mac Jude Marikit.
Mac Jude Mariquet.
Mac Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Pilipinas 2021 Evening Gown Competition.
Uy. Wala! Kuhan, Rabia.
Ay.
Ang gown.
Hello, oh, gigamit. Ay. Wow! Ganda ng gown niya,
Something white and fresh. For my first day at the national
Grabe, beats kung beats sila ngayon.
beginnings, and it is only the start of my journey.
Polo Blanco.
Ano ko ba napapilit? Often Erich
Parang nag-artista siya, no?
Erich Gonzalo.
Oo. Go Erich! Candidate number 8.
Has also been to the Manila Carnival Review, which inspired pageantry in the Philippines. This piece
Grabe yung mga beats, oh. First beats.
the Pilipinas Queen.
Paolo Ay, Paolo Ballesteros. Ganda rin ng gown ni Paolo.
Hollywood lang. Puro Hollywood.
Ang laki ng quit niya.
Pero pumasok din.
Pak. Ginalingan. 25, go.
My gown embodies confidence and celebrates the strength of my character.
Naman sa pala.
Wherein it radiates my vibrant soul and positive energy.
So, balunin ni Miss Motian Sama.
Pero kung kuhan, yan ang pinaraga. Pero mga buildings, ano? Wala pa may nag-playing na gown, ano?
Oo. Puro may mga beats. Oh, Francesca Tarok! Bench Lingap.
Green symbolizes hard work, health,
Ganda.
and hope. As we all face life's daily battles, I want to be the voice of the
Wow. Bench Lingap.
Wow! The effect on the ball.
Ang ganda.
Guys,
Grabe.
grabe yung mga gown nila pa yun.
Grabe. Ang ganda talaga. Oh, yung ang ganda ng suso niya. Wow!
Yes.
Perfect. Ang ganda, best. Kamakaimot.
Grabe na mga gown. Namamarat ako dahil. Uda. Ghost bang.
Turn.
Wow! Ibong adar na ngakuan. Oh! Shoot ang
Just like a
ino.
centellian or a ball of fire, irradiate hope and positivity as a beacon of light in the darkest hours.
Grabe ang doon, mga details. Grabe mga Pinoy.
Oriental Mindoro.
Biyaw pa niya. Kora Catriona. Oh, bye! Shit! Ang ina! One of my favorite. Shoot ang ina ko pinagaw.
Galing niya magrampa. Ursula Lehman.
Pak.
Wow. Yan, Pak Lehman. 27. Dala na yung walk.
In my biggest milestones, I always had a touch of pink
Wow,
in me.
pink na pink talaga. Palagi siyang pink.
In my reveal, which represents my transformation through life.
Ah, okay. Pero kung pan,
May change outfit, my God.
Wow, ano.
Ipa-sorpresa siya.
Mapaya color yan, dahil parang sa una green.
Sinong designer ito kanina? Perfect. Ang ganda
Pagka ni
ng
Ralph Marie.
ang ganda ng pink
Manaragan.
niya. Ang ganda ng pink sa kan. Wow! Ang ganda ng outfit ni Kuhan Basiano.
I dedicate this hooded gown to the whole situation.
Ganda.
As the
Oo.
world is covered with uncertainties, this hood symbolizes the hope of a man
Wow, Pearl. Ganda.
Kayaman.
Wow.
Burunggan ah. Ito no?
Wow, ang ganda ng outfit. Wow!
Ay mo tiyo maimot.
Imutera ka, girl! Support ka dahil. Wow!
Wow.
May laglag. May laglag dahil.
I love the performance.
Yes. Grabe siya.
Go Burunggan.
Go, Boronga.
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Yan. Subscribe kayo, Jace. Jace? Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe! Subscribe!